broken daily.
Alright guys, sorry for the really stupid, funny intro, but I got two good reasons for it. Okay? One, these two cars right here, and I know this is an automotive channel, why in the hell did you just watch some crappy guitar playing? Anyways, the reason here, both these cars right here, this is a Nissan S12, this is an FCR RX-7. They are both 80s machines, baby, so I felt it'd be funny to do some 80s shredding, you know, gnarly guitar stuff, fitting for what the idea is here. And the second reason, I just kind of wanted an excuse to play guitar. I haven't done that in a while. But anyways, yes. Last year, if you followed the channel at all, or you can just go back and watch, we built my Mazda MIATA, which was awesome. Did the engine, everything, took it to the track, did a whole bunch of drifty stuff with it. And this year, well, I got an RX-7, and the rotaries suck. I mean, they're great, don't get me wrong, but they suck. And this is going to be my next project for the track for drifting. I want a more competitive car. So we need to put a reliable engine in here. And what do I only know? Miatas. So I figured got a few spare Miata things here, right? Including, I just picked up this engine, which is kind of funny if you saw in the intro there. This is the Kia Miata engine. There was some Kias back in the day that actually ran the Miata engines. The 1.8. This valve cover is also funny because it does not belong on the Miata, but they had this on like the Kias and stuff. It's a pretty cool valve cover, has the cut cam gears. I digressed. I want to make this video to kind of introduce what's going to be going on moving forward. So like I said, we've got, this is Shiloh's S12. This is a 87, that's an 88. So this is going to be going under the knife as well. We're pulling the engine out of this. This is also going to be Shiloh's drift car. Has a VG30E, sorry for the poor lighting, but the VG30E, we're going to be pulling that out, building it and boosting it. And then the Miata engine, we're going to be stuffing a Miata engine in here, boosting that. I have a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to be doing a big build on this. Is our most like prestigious build yet compared to last year's build. This thing is just a mess. I've got several different wiring harnesses. I have a Miata wiring harness here. I've got two RX-7 harnesses, a whole bunch of other goodies. We're going to have to splice these harnesses together, get a standalone, make everything work. I want the headlights to work, accessories, all that good stuff. Not a lot of people do anything with the VG30Es. They're more known in the Z31 Zs, the 300 Zs, and it's kind of an unpopular engine, but they can actually make some decent power. That's the plan with that. Luckily his car is in a lot better condition than mine, but I wanted to finally make a video. It's been a minute since I put one out, and just like last year, guys, I used YouTube as a motivator to get the Miata built. I'm sure I've put clips in as I've been talking of what we did all last year with the Miata and its build. So same thing this year, guys. It's up to you guys to help me motivate myself to get this car built, and then next summer, you know, we're going out to the track. We're going to do a lot more track time this year. Well, next year. We only went to 2 events last year with the Miata, so I still have the Miata, by the way. It's not gone. That car's never leaving me. I just wanted to get you guys excited for what's to come. So moving forward, if you want to see both these builds happening, now's the time. It's go time. We're going to start by doing the harness on this guy, the RX-7, and probably pulling the engine out of the S12 here. This is the granddaddy to the 240 ASX, if you didn't know that. So this car is actually a pretty important car when it comes to drifting. No, it's not, you know, the S13, but it is an S12. It is an S chassis, and it has S13 suspension too. So more into these cars and what they have. But if you guys want to pay attention and watch what's going on and see all the excitement, go ahead and subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And I used to say keep it Miata-vated, or stay Miata-vated or something, but now it's an RX-7, MX-7. I don't know. Subscribe. We're going to be building this, like, soon. Yeah. Bye.